Hey guys, so RoboUp sent me their new Raccon SE2 and I hope it will hold up against my other mower. We have quite some challenges in this garden. Let's see how the unboxing process works. We have quite some tools here, we have quite some parts to assemble. But first I want to talk about the cardboard glued together with plastics. That's a pain in the ass to recycle because you can't throw it away like this. You have to unwrap everything and recycle everything separately. So I think RoboUp could use more cardboard because I think this is easily replaceable by cardboard. And please don't glue them together. Let's install the front bumper. The quick start guide has you covered. You just take the front bumper, put it on the mounting holes, see that everything fits inside. 4 screws, even a hex tool. So no additional tools needed. That's great. So the first one is in place, second one, the third one, and the last one. All right, the robot is flipped over. Let's talk about the base station. The base station comes with the 5-meter extension cord. The cord itself fits to the base station with a water protective ring, so everything seals together great. You have the power supply, it's 24 volts, 3 ampere, so 72 watts. What else is in the box? There is a quick start guide, a warranty card, the user manual. The robot itself comes pre-installed with blades. There is another set of 3 blades, so maybe 1 year of lifetime plus 3 additional years. They're quite inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. There's no special mounting hole. The right tool to change them is with the robot. 2 additional guidance stickers for the base station. So if the sticker one time falls off, you can just glue them on the base station again. Those are the beacons to help the mower find different areas. Let's see how this holds up in my garden, because I have 4 or 5 different areas with quite some narrow roads between them. Let's see if 1 pair beacon stickers are enough. And that's it. Let's take a closer look to the robot itself. Obviously the camera. On the sides there are some, I think maybe it's visible illumination or it's infrared for the visibility for the camera. There are the docking ports for the charger. The metal plates are underneath, inside. I hope they won't corrode if water stands in here. The bumper we've mounted has some flex, but no tactile click. The wheels seem to be the same like my other mower. These edges here are very sharp. I cut myself when taking the robot out of the box, so be careful in this area. On the back there is a handle to move it around. You can see a rain sensor, so if water falls onto this area, it senses rain. The stop button and some switches covered under a foil. Give the base station some even ground, give it some clearance to the side of 15 centimeters and 2 meters in the front. The moment you power up the base station, a green light appears. So let's give the mower a first charge.